Hello, fans. We're going to take a look at another bgears. This is the Bee Blaster 140. And it comes with 4 fan bolts. It also has got holes in the frame for LEDs, but there are no LEDs in it. And you can either use the adapter to plug it into the power supply, or you can just use the 3-pin cable to plug it in to the header or your hub or controller, whatever you got. And let's go ahead and take a look here. Nothing remarkable as far as that is concerned. Looks kind of like a hybrid between an airflow and a static pressure fan. And let's get ready to rotate. Nobody's made any comments about whether they want me to stop saying, let's get ready to rotate, or say it differently or whatever, so I'm just mixing it up now. Lack of input from my fans makes it hard for me to, make these little changes. And, to the person who suggested that I put a link to each fan in the description, I am sorry I keep on forgetting about doing that. Been rather consumed with other things going on in my life. If you've been paying attention to my channel news, you'll know what I'm talking about. Hopefully I will get around to it sometime in the near future, though. Ooh, there's a weird noise. There's a noise I do not want to hear. Oh, boy. What in the world is that noise? It's like something is hitting something, but... Oh. I think the bearings are damaged. Well, that sucks. Well, if you hear this noise, it's bad. You hear that? That's definitely bad. Hold on just a second. I'm going to see if I can get it to stop. So when I manually spin it, I don't hear the noise. I can feel the vibration of the hit. It's rhythmic. This is not good. Oh boy. Hold on a second. So unfortunately, this is a dual ball bearing, and from the sound of it, the bearings somehow got damaged. I don't know what happened, but that's frustrating. All right, well, we'll do what we can here. You should not be hearing this noise. So even without the damaged bearing, this is a loudish fan. As I try to remind people, what you hear here isn't necessarily what you're going to hear in your case. However, this fan is definitely not too noisy, but not too quiet either. It's got pretty good static pressure, actually. I would say in excess of 2 millimeters of water of pressure. Let's see. According to this, it's got 3.5. Now, I'm going to dispute that, but it could be because the bearings are damaged. So I can't really say for sure. So this is sad. I'll reach out to bgears or bgears. They helped me with a 140 by 38R that had damaged bearings. So I'll see if they are willing to work with me on this one as well. Hopefully they will. And if not, no. Oh, and then I forgot to mention, they did say that they are coming out with a fan that's even more powerful than the 140 by 38R. They said it's going to be like 6,000 something RPMs. So, it's a finger chopper, just like the one that I did get, which is a $30-something fan. All right. Well, let's just say that you can use this fan, assuming it's not got damaged bearings like this one, on the case, on an air cooler or on a radiator for a water cooler. Let's look at the specs. So just ignore the bearing problem sound, and you got to, ignoring that noise, you get a good idea of what it's going to sound like. I think that the bearing problem was definitely affecting it. I will be picking up a replacement at some point, at which point I'll try to remember to do an update on this fan. But it is the Beat Blaster 140 BG01565 from bgears or bgears. $7 fan. CE, FCC, and ROHS certifications, made in China, 140 by 25 millimeters. 40 to 60,000 hours of life, depending on the fan. 1 year warranty. And this fan has 170 grams of weight, 7 blades, 125 millimeters between the holes, 1,800 RPMs, 103 CFMs of airflow, 3.5 millimeters of water of static pressure, 36 decibels, 59 centimeter long fan cable, no daisy chaining or sleeving, 3-pin DC connector with a dual ball bearing, and it takes 12 volts, 5.4 watts, 0.45 amps. No indicators of directional flow or rotation. Turns in a clockwise direction. You get the 4 fan bolts with it, and then the 2-pin to Molex D, which is a 13 centimeter adapter. Thank you to Grindler, a.k.a. Lawrence Abrams, who is the owner of Bleeping Computer, for consenting to allow me to put my results in text form on Bleeping Computer's forums, as well as linking to my videos. Please visit Bleeping Computer, support them, make use of them. They're a valuable resource that's been around for 20 years, and they deserve support. They have lots of resources. You can learn about cybersecurity from them. You can get help with malware on your computer. You can get help with all kinds of stuff. They have a range of volunteers who help people who come there for advice, and they're very knowledgeable people for the most part, and some of them are very, very, very helpful. Old Sod has been very helpful to me over the years that I have asked for input on things, and so thank you to Bleeping Computer. Thank you to the volunteers on Bleeping Computer. Also, thank you to my peers on other tech forums who are so kind as to provide me with input, suggestions, feedback, and so on. I really appreciate it, but my greatest thanks goes out to Bleeping Computer because you are my text home, I guess you could say. All right, thanks also to all my viewers and subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.